Have you ever sat down at your computer, scrolled through endless get-rich-quick videos, and wondered why nothing actually works? I know the feeling. I've been there, staring at my screen, dreaming of financial freedom, yet seeing zero results. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I make money online, step by step, with methods that actually work. No fluff, no AI gimmicks, just real ways to generate income from anywhere in the world. If you're tired of wasting time and ready to take action, this video is for you. Making money online isn't a secret reserved for tech geniuses or entrepreneurs with deep pockets. Anyone can do it, as long as you understand the strategies, put in the effort, and stay consistent. I'll walk you through the methods I personally use and have seen real results with. These strategies are tested, simple to start, and scalable over time. 1. Freelancing. Your skills are money. One of the fastest ways to start earning online is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to sell your skills to clients worldwide. Whether it's writing, graphic design, video editing, programming, or even virtual assistants, there's a demand for almost everything. The key is to position yourself as a professional. Create a strong profile, showcase your best work, and start with competitive pricing. Initially, you may have to work for lower rates to build reviews, but once you accumulate credibility, your rates can double or triple. I've personally seen people go from earning $200 a month to over $5,000 a month within a year by consistently delivering high-quality work and expanding their client base. Pro tip: focus on niches where clients pay premium rates, like marketing copywriting, web development, or social media management. These fields are booming, and the demand isn't going anywhere. 2. Affiliate marketing. Get paid for referrals. Affiliate marketing is one of the most powerful ways to earn passive income online. Essentially, you promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's simple, but it works incredibly well if done right. The key is choosing the right products and building trust with your audience. For example, if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or even a social media following, you can share honest reviews or tutorials that provide real value. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are great places to start. I personally combine affiliate marketing with content creation. For instance, I make videos explaining tools, software, or courses I've personally used. People appreciate honesty, and they're far more likely to purchase through your recommendation if you've proven it works. Over time, affiliate commissions can grow to hundreds or thousands of dollars monthly, often without active effort after the content is created. 3. Selling digital products. Your knowledge has value. Digital products are another excellent way to monetize online. These can include ebooks, courses, templates, stock photos, or even printables. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them repeatedly. Let's take online courses as an example. If you're skilled in a specific area, like Photoshop, Excel, or even productivity hacks, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad. With proper marketing, it's possible to earn a full-time income from a single course if it resonates with the right audience. Even ebooks are powerful. I've seen creators earn $500 to $2,000 per month by selling ebooks on Amazon Kindle or personal websites. The key is to provide actionable value that solves a problem people actually face. 4. Print on demand. Turn creativity into cash. If you have a creative streak, print-on-demand businesses can be a goldmine. Platforms like Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, or Teespring allow you to design t-shirts, mugs, and other products, and they handle printing, shipping, and customer service. You just focus on creating unique designs and marketing them. It takes some initial effort to research trends and create appealing designs, but once your designs are up, the system generates income passively. Many creators start earning $100 to $500 per month within the first few months, and with multiple products, it's possible to scale into thousands monthly. Pro tip: use social media ads or organic platforms like TikTok and Instagram to showcase your products. A single viral post can catapult your sales overnight. 5. YouTube and content creation. Build an audience that pays. YouTube isn't just about making videos, it's about building an audience and monetizing that attention. From ad revenue to sponsorships and affiliate marketing, the opportunities are endless. Start by choosing a niche you're passionate about. It could be finance, tech reviews, lifestyle, or even personal development. The key is consistency and providing value. Unlike other methods, content creation builds a long-term asset. Every video you make can continue earning money for months or years if it ranks well on YouTube. I personally know creators who started with 0 subscribers and now make $5,000 to $10,000 per month simply by teaching, reviewing, or entertaining an audience. Don't underestimate the power of providing value. People will pay attention, and the algorithm will reward you. 6. Dropshipping. Sell products without inventory. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without keeping any stock. You create an online store, find suppliers, and when someone buys, the supplier ships directly to the customer. It sounds simple, but success depends on finding the right products and marketing effectively. Most dropshipping stores use Shopify, combined with Facebook or Instagram ads, to reach customers. While it requires learning and some upfront investment, a successful store can generate $1,000 to $5,000 per month, sometimes even more. Pro tip: focus on products with low competition but high demand, and always test your ads before scaling. 7. Investing and trading. Grow money strategically. If you already have some capital, online investing can grow your wealth. Platforms like Robinhood, eToro, or Webbull allow you to trade stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. The key is education and risk management. While trading can be risky, long-term investing in index funds or dividend stocks provides consistent returns. I personally combine active trading with passive investing, which helps me grow wealth steadily while exploring short-term opportunities. Even beginners can start with small amounts and gradually scale. Learning the fundamentals of investing is crucial. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with discipline, it can transform your financial future. The truth is, making money online is possible for anyone willing to learn, take action, and stay consistent. The methods I've shared today, freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, print on demand, content creation, dropshipping, and investing, aren't theories. I personally use some of these every day, and they've helped me achieve financial freedom, flexibility, and peace of mind. If you enjoyed this video and found value, make sure to like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Hub for more actionable tips, strategies, and insights that can help you build real online income. Remember, it's not about shortcuts. It's about taking consistent action, learning from mistakes, and scaling your efforts over time. Start today, take one step forward, and soon you'll see results that can truly change your life. So hit that subscribe button, join the Wealth Hub community, and let's grow financially together.